I came across them online one day when I was in the old house, and I could see from the videos how good the quality seemed to be. And also, I think the thing that interested me more was the base units and how that would simplify a new conservatory rather than having foundations dug up. The new box wall I thought was a great idea.
Basically, it's opened up the garden. So the idea was to have the bifold doors so that we could look straight down the garden and eat outside and, just have all year round access to the garden. It's totally transformed this house, and the way that we live in it, really. I spend all my time in here.
I thought they were excellent, actually.
Yeah.
As I said, the online impression that I got when I first saw them, and after talking to them, and the way that they accepted and took into consideration our specification, they managed to pick it up and match it really well.
Yeah.
ConservatoryLand were ever so helpful in being able to provide assistance with the installation with installers. So we opted to go for one of them, and at the time it worked out convenient for us. They were ever so friendly,
Very respectful.
They followed everything through, and the weather went against them, unfortunately, when they were installing it. I was pleased with the fact that they persevered and delivered it, and even though it was in bad weather, they delivered it for us. And they've always offered support if there was any issues. So it was good to know that they didn't just install it and go away. They were still in the background to say if we needed anything, we could call them back.